Brad and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is we're gonna make a new vlog for today. So we got a new video and a vlog. Okay, so for this video is I'm gonna make a new vlog. Okay, so and this is one these are only two, right? Only two tech right over here. So yeah, we got some over here with some gaming tech, and also we get a digital tech for your frame. Okay, we get a digital picture frame and also another dock for my Nintendo Switch. So this is for the OLED and for the Switch one. So okay, without further ado, let's gonna start up. Okay, so I'm gonna start up with this. Yeah, I have to start it up with Nintendo, right? So yeah, what you got right here is I just found this, right? So in a Switch store. So yeah, and I have to check this out, right? So I have to check this out. So for the so that I can connect it to the TV, right? So yeah, right here is also they got a joy grip. Yeah, well, look at that. Yeah, they got the joy grip, right? So also included, but there's no adapter on it. So there's no charger and there's no HDMI cable. So only the dock and the joy grip, right? So yeah, here it goes. So let me check this out for you guys. So here it is. This is the Switch case. Okay, we've got some. Yeah, I think right over here is for the. I think right here is for the game card. So let's go. Gonna have to check it out. It's gonna be for the game card. All right. So all right, I'm gonna have to check this out. Okay, what is this one right over here? I think yeah, it is the extender, right? So yeah. If you want to take this off, just have to there you go, guys. So you gonna have to take that off, right? So and then have to put it back. So I pega right with the game card. Okay, let's gonna have to put this on right over here, which is really is for the game card. I think. Okay, I think this is not for the game card, right? So because it is not gonna be inserted. So I don't know what is this right over here. I don't know what is this one right over here. So just have to take that off, right? So yeah, I'm gonna have to yeah, look at that. So for the Switch one and for the OLED, so I'm gonna have to check this out for what is this for, right? So if you know, link that below. Right, so I'm gonna have to search this one also. I'm gonna have to search this one also. What is this one? So it is gonna be putting down right there, right? So when I saw it, so I need this one is because I want to play in the TV. So the other switch is I have to put it into this. I have to connect it into my laptop is because I am doing gameplays in my other channel, right? So right over here is we've got this one right here. Nintendo's is a charging dock. Okay, charging dock, and also yeah, we got right over here. I really don't know what is this one. I just saw it up. So and we've got right here is also the joy group, right? So okay, so next is we're gonna get over to the next. All right. So next is right here is again. So I mentioned it earlier, right? At the start of the video, I got this digital photo frame, right? So I just got this digital photo frame right over here. Yeah, look at that. So it says 7-inch digital photo frame, black and white. So yeah, and yeah, it is still in a good condition, right? So it's still in a good condition. So I'm gonna have to take this. So it is you have to connect it into the outlet so that this one is gonna be working, right? So it's in a good condition, right? So let's go gonna have this hope and let's go gonna have to check this out. So and also you can put some memory card on it, right? You can put some memory card so that we will see how good it is, right? All the pictures. So I'm gonna have to put the picture of our dogs here so that it will gonna be a slideshow, right? Yeah, so that is gonna be a slideshow. And there's a remote on it. Look at that. There's a remote, right? In which you can, yeah. Oh, included battery. Okay. Yeah, there we go. We got some included battery, right? So, okay. So sorry for the noise, right? So yeah, so much. What is this called? Tape they put in. Okay, so that it will not be, right? So that. Okay. All right. Okay. so that it will not be, you know, like that. So I'm gonna have to put down right over here. So yeah, look at that. We've got the first command. Oh, we got the first command financial service, right? Yeah, digital photo frame. So can you put some card in here so I can see right that. Yeah, and then also there's also the functions right over here, and the other side is the power button, right? So let's go gonna have to check this out. So okay, I'm gonna have to plug it on. Okay, I'm gonna have to plug it, and then let's see how good it is. All right, so okay, so that we will see it clearly. Okay, so all right, so yeah, this one is hard because you know they just tangle the wrap. Okay, and then I'm gonna have to the DC right over here. Okay, okay, there you go. So gonna have to put this on, okay, so that you will see it clearly. So and this one right over here is also, I got this yeah, in my lampshade. So I've got this. Okay, so all right, I'm gonna have to turn it on. So it's already turned off. Yeah, okay, and yeah, there you go. Yeah, we will go, guys. So I'm gonna have to show that to you. We got that. It says that low on light, but it's low on display light, but it's still working. It's so good, right? It's good. It can good. It's still so good. So yeah. So since I don't have, so there's a there's a photo. It's a touchscreen. Oh, it's a touchscreen. Okay, I didn't know that. Okay, I didn't know that it's a touchscreen. So okay, there you go. I'm gonna have to press. Okay, gonna have to go back to the menu. Yeah, okay, right there. So it's a touch screen, right? It's a touch screen. It's a touch screen. So I'm gonna have to show that to you again. Okay, I'm gonna have to show that. Look at that. Okay, okay. There's a music, right? So okay, there you go. Yeah, it's already. It's gonna be doing a slideshow on that one. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, there's a slideshow. Yeah, as you can see. So I'm gonna have to put the go back to the menu, and then here it goes. So you just have to, yeah, look at that. So gonna have to, and then we've got photo and music, right? And we've got some alarm. Okay, I didn't know that there's an alarm, so gonna have to go down. Let's go, gonna have to enter that one. Okay, just in case, yeah, this is a good one also. There's a, it is a multi, it's an all-in-one, right? All-in-one digital photo frame. So you're just gonna have to enter how many time, how many hours, how, where do you want to alarm it up. So okay, I'm gonna go back to the menu. Yeah, look at that. So gonna have to go back, and then we've got some clock over here. So I'm gonna have to change the clock. So it's just like an Amazon, right? So Amazon Echo Show, like that one. So I saw some Echo Show right there at the thrift store. So I'm gonna have to buy that sometime. Okay. So and then yeah, we got some clock, calendar also. Yeah, go back. Okay. Okay. We got some clock, calendar set up, favorites, edit, and you can also like that one. Okay. We got some calendar set up. So let's go, gonna have to check that setup, right? You can like that. So I don't know if it's a touch screen, right? So yeah, yeah, it is not a touch screen. So when I click the other at first, it is already, you know, that. So yeah, but it is not a touch screen, right? So we've got right here is for now, no. Yes, go back to that again. So yeah, there you go, guys. So yeah, perfect. And also I really like this one. So I'm gonna put some pictures on here. We got some menu. Okay, we got some, yeah, how to stop. Okay, how to confirm. Okay, gonna have to, okay. yeah, look at that. So if you want something like this one, so digital photo frame, it is a good one also if you want to have this one, right? So yeah, perfect. So I'm gonna have to go back, okay, and then so it's not go back to the menu, right? So I'm gonna have to one right here. This is also a press one if I want to press it up, right? So yeah, it is a good photo frame for you to have this one. All right, okay. So alright, so I think yeah, so I think that's it for this video, right? And also I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will not notified by upcoming further videos. Okay, stay tuned for more, is because I'm giving you some good stuff here and new videos here in my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. See you again in the next video, everyone.